What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do unboxing of Huawei Y7 2K19. And I was actually out of this channel for a long time, almost for 3.5 months. Actually I was busy with my exams and now I am totally free and I will be making videos regularly. Sorry for not posting videos regularly on this channel, and right now I am totally free and I will be posting videos regularly now. So this is the first one and I have brought this phone. It has just arrived in my area, so I just got hand on this phone. This is a mid-range smartphone. It is Huawei Y7 2K19 model, and we have already posted its previous video, which was Huawei Y7 2K18. This is actually a different design than the previous model. It is having a water drop notch, and there are many things which are similar, but few things are actually different. This one is actually in midnight black color, and this is 32 gigabytes of storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM, and this is a dual SIM model. So right now I have just already removed the wrapper of this phone, and let me just bring this phone out of this box. So we just start the unboxing process right away. So you can see up front we have this box, if you can clearly see. So we have 6.26 inches dewdrop display. This is what they are calling it, dewdrop display. Actually OPPO called it water drop notch, and now they are calling it dewdrop display. And it has a 16 MP front facing camera, a huge battery which is 4000 milliampere, and I have already mentioned the RAM and the ROM of this phone. So let me just bring it out of this box, and you can see this is the phone itself. So let me just remove these wrappers from this phone. So let's just remove these, and you can see this is the phone itself and it looks beautiful. I will just boot this phone up right away, and let us just now see what we have inside this box now. Actually we have this mini box inside this box, and it is having silicone case, which is a transparent case, and every mid-range smartphone company now gives this case, and this is the guidebook. One more interesting thing is that this time we also have the screen protector, which is also given with this phone. That is very interesting to see that they are caring for their customers and they are giving each and everything inside the box. And we have this SIM ejector tool here. So next up we have the charger. So let us see which kind of charger this is. This is a regular 2 ampere charger. This is not the fast charger, if you can clearly see. And next up we have this charging cable, and this is also micro USB. You can see this is not USB type C. So we have the regular charger and we have the micro USB. We do not have the USB type C. So let me just take this box out of this, and let us just remove everything from here, and let's just simply talk about this phone now, that what we have inside this phone. You can see this phone looks gorgeous. Actually the display is very bright and it is looking great. So I have to start this phone now. Let's just start with English and agree to these. Right now we do not have any SIM card, so I am not selecting this right now. Let us just skip this, and let also skip this. So right now I just want to set, we have three different device protection options. You can see right now we have three different device protection options: set fingerprint ID, set face unlock, set password. So right now we just go with the fingerprint ID. So let's move next, and fingerprint ID to unlock device. So enable it. So we have to put a pin. Let's just put a regular pin now, and we have to put one more. Let's just confirm it. So we have to try the fingerprint scanner. This is the fingerprint scanner, and let's just move quickly. And actually it is very responsive. The technology is actually now very advanced for fingerprint scanners, so that's great to see that it is very fast. So let's just skip, and so the device itself is actually ready now. I have just completed the whole process to start the device. So let me just decrease the brightness so you can see clearly how the device looks. So right away on the right side we have this power button, and next up we have this volume rockers, this time on the same side as we have the power buttons. And on the top we have a microphone, and the 3.5mm headphone jack is also there. And maybe we have the hand frees inside this. Yes, I haven't shown you, but they are there inside the mini box inside this. So we have the hand frees too with it. So on this side we only have this SIM tray, which is the dual SIM, and we have the card slot here too, I guess. So on the bottom we have this micro USB slot, and we have the two volume rockers on the bottom, and maybe only one is working and one is just for the design purposes. And on the back we have a dual camera setup and a flash with it and a fingerprint scanner. So that's all about the body of this phone. Actually this one is a bit heavier. Actually it is having 4000 milliampere of battery. That's why it feels heavier in hands. The chain on the bottom of the phone is actually bigger as compared to the top, and we only have the dewdrop notch on the top, and the display itself looks beautiful, and the viewing angles are actually good. You can see I do not have any complaint with the display because the display itself is looking great. If I increase the brightness to the max, and you can see how beautiful the viewing angles are on this device. So no complaints about the display. The displays are getting better and better day by day. So let me just go into the settings, and let us just have a look at about the phone. So we are actually running on EMUI version 8.2. You can see we are running EMUI version 8.2, and the Android version is 8.1. So these are all the things about this phone. And talking about the processor, they have also mentioned the processor of this device. It is Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, you can clearly see. So we are having a low mid-range processor inside this device, and I will be posting all the videos and all related stuff about this phone on my channel, and videos will be coming regularly now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.